In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a HEIC file into a JPEG. So I'm going to show you the two methods. The first method is that I have this HEIC file here. So just right click on it and try to open with go to open with and then choose photos. So for this case, I'm sure that it's not going to open up. So but if you manage to open it using this photo application, just click on this three dots button, and then you click on save as. Then you navigate to where you want to save your photo, and then the file you need to change it to JPEG, JPG or JPEG. So then you click on save. So that's the first method, but for a photo it did not work. So we now move to the second method, on which we're going to open up a browser. You can open up any browser. For this case, you're going to use Chrome, and then you need to type in HEIC to JPG, and then you hit enter, and then select the first link, or HTTPS stroke colon double stroke HEIC to JPEG, and then you click on it, or just simply HEIC to JPEG, and then this is how the website look like. So we are going to drag and drop the HEIC files that we need to convert. So I'm going to click on the first one, then press down shift, then the last one, and then we drag in 4 files. So it's going to take some time depending on the speed of your internet and the size of the files that you want to convert. So after a few seconds, it's going to convert all your files one by one. So now you can see that our files have been converted. You can see we have now been provided with the download link. Click on it, and it's going to download a zip file. So you can see that it's actually downloading. You can now close down the web browser, and then let me just create another folder for the pics, or just JPG files, like that. Then we're going to open up the download folder, and you can see that we have this zip file here. Click on it. We're going to cut and paste it in here. Paste. So right click on it and then extract here. Now we have 4 photos. So if you click on it, so this is the first photo, the second one, the third one, and the first one. So that's the quick method on how you can actually convert HEIC file to JPG. That's it for this tutorial, and see you in the next one.